To pair your MyLab and Mastering course with your Blackboard course, you'll start off by clicking on Course Tools under Course Management. Then scroll down here, hit the Pearson MyLab and Mastering link. Then we're going to select MyLab and Mastering. If this is your first time, you might have to accept and enter your Pearson login credentials here. Hit Get Started. And this window should pop up, so you have the options of selecting from an existing course list on your MyLab and Mastering account. So we're going to hit that. And we can select a course that we've already created in our Pearson MyLab and Mastering. In this case, I'm going to copy over an existing course. I'm going to enter the course ID, hit search. And this course will pop up, the one that I want to copy over. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to make sure it's student use course. And then I'm going to enter the information here. In this case, we'll give it a Biology 101. Leave the course description blank. I'm going to give it a course start date, followed by an end date. And I'm going to hit Create Course. Let's see, it says that I'm done. My course has been created. And it has been paired with Blackboard. And if I go back to my Blackboard course, to the Pearson MyLab and Mastering page and refresh it, you'll see I've got more options here. This means that my Blackboard course has been paired with my Pearson's MyLab and Mastering course. To check it out, I'll be clicking on a few links. If I click the All Assignments page, it's going to take me to all of the assignments in my Pearson MyLabs and Mastering. And if I click the Settings page, it's going to take me to my course settings in my Pearson MyLabs and Mastering course. And that's how you pair your Blackboard course with your Pearson MyLab and Mastering course.